Hey everybody, this is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Today I'm sitting here in the off-grid tiny house, snowing a little bit on and off outside, cold, really cold, but it's cozy and warm here. Michelle's taking a nap, so I'm being a little bit quieter, so I hope you hear me alright. I want to talk to you today about, you might see some changes in my videos and how I've been doing things recently. And I'd like to get your opinion on what you think of how we've been doing it and some ideas moving forward. So to get my mind together and get things sorted out in my head, we got a few points. One, obviously you see I'm doing thumbnails in all the videos. I wonder what you think. YouTube has suggested that if you want your video to be ranked higher, then you put a special thumbnail on every video. And I just wonder your opinion on that, and that was the short point. That tell me what you think, how it looks, you know, on when you're browsing videos. That is supposed to help your videos stand out more, and supposedly supposed to help you rank higher and get more people to view. And we'll see. So I'm trying that out. Another thing that is changing is the way I'm doing videos. And another thing I'm considering is a blog about what's going on here. Because I'm making less daily lifestyle videos, I'm thinking about writing everything up in a blog moving forward. So let's go back to the videos. You may have noticed I'm not doing our daily lives on the off-grid homestead right now, or the daily vlog, as I always did. YouTube is looking more at, I have to go with the flow, and my income and my views took a dump, and YouTube has been coaching the channel owners with larger channels like mine, and one of the things I have to do is, well, I have to go with the flow. They want, or people, I guess, what the preferences are is topic-based shorter videos. So you'll notice my videos are now 10 to 15 minutes long, maximum maybe 27 to 30 minutes, but that's very rare. I usually break that up into two 15-minute videos. One, it gives me more ads and more possible income, and two, it makes a shorter video, so there's less chance of people skipping through, which deranks my video more. And three, it just gives more videos, and it fits into the, you know, the shorter video categories. So that's some of the changes I'm making. 15-minute maximum videos. The topic-based videos are what I'm going to lean towards from now on. And as you've been seeing, like repairing a lawnmower, or processing carrots, or making a food dryer, which right now is covered in corn, drying corn above the wood stove. And then once a week having a homestead update, what's been going on in the homestead for the week. Because, for example, if I'm just processing firewood every day for a week, you don't want to see that. It gets boring. It gets really boring if all I do every day, all day, is processing firewood, splitting wood, cutting wood, stacking wood, hauling wood. I know it's cool for a day or so. Some people like to see that, but I think that in the long run, that is going to harm me. At least I've seen the views going down, 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 and so I'm trying to start inching that back up. I am seeing a tiny, tiny, tiny bit of growth on video views with the new system. So every day I want to try to knock out a video, but it's going to be a topic-based video. A certain topic, just that video is going to have one topic. And then a weekly update once a week. So tell me what you think. Do you like how it's been going so far? You know, give me your feedback and your ideas on how I'm doing that right now. And that, you know, in that way, like putting a roof on a greenhouse. Single topic, single subject, single video. Alright? No more going around Okay, I'm feeding the chickens. Okay, I'm cutting some firewood. Okay, I work on the greenhouse a bit. Okay, we're driving today. Okay, I'm working on this here. I'm working on that, and all over. It's what made me where I am today, but it seems that those type of videos are no longer desired because those type of videos are no longer getting the views like they used to be. The videos, even throughout all my history, that are getting all the views are the single topic based shorter videos. And looking at my analytics and my history, that's what I'm seeing as a trend. So let me know your opinion, on how it's going right now. And the other possibility I'm considering right now is a 1 to 3 times a week blog. I'd like to see a daily blog, but I don't think I could make it. And there's not every day that we're doing something exciting here. But I'm thinking about doing a blog with updates on the fly of what we're doing all the time. So instead of doing every single day a video of what we've done each day, I could do a blog article about what we've done each day with some images and maybe some video clips on DIYTube. See, I can do anything on DIYTube that I want, and nobody's gonna penalize it. Right now, DIYTube doesn't have any ranking algorithms in place. It's just last video uploaded is the last video uploaded is the first one shown, and then the most viewed and the most liked are the only algorithms in place right now. That'll probably change with time, but for now, I can put anything I want over there. I can put video clips and updates and whatever I want over there. And then on my blog, I can give you the daily updates. I'm thinking about running a newsletter, so along with the once a week video, have a newsletter. I used to have a newsletter, and I started getting a lot of attacks back in the day on my website, and 2 years ago I lost everything. It was all wiped, and I'm still rebuilding 2 years later. I've got 260 articles I'm still copying out of a database log up into the Do-It-Yourself World website, one at a time. It takes me an hour per. Alright, I heard some traffic. No, must not have been. It takes me about an hour per article to copy and paste into my Do-It-Yourself World website. Get the images, get the image titles, get the image alternate, the little pop-up window when you hold your mouse over an image, and then to go to my YouTube pages and link the YouTube video that corresponds to that article, pointing to the article, and then point the article to the YouTube video. So it takes me an hour per, and I had 360 articles that were on my original blog when it got destroyed. So 2 years later, I'm down to 260 articles, but I'm really trying to knock them out this winter. Having these shorter videos and the topic-based gives me a little bit more free time to work on the internet more and try to improve all my past work, try to bring it back. So that's one of the things I'm working on. So when all that happened, I dumped the newsletter. I still have the database of all my subscribers from back then. I had stopped doing that though and updating things, and I had no longer been following up on that. And I think that I should at least once a month do a newsletter from now on with updates of what's been going on in the homestead, what we've been up to, news and things like that, and probably a link to all the videos that month. Tell me your opinion on that too, guys. I'd really like to hear from you if you're interested on me doing a monthly newsletter along with everything else. And then it'll give you an overview of everything going on as it occurs. So I can always be updating the newsletter throughout the month, and once a month blast that all out to you guys. The other thing, and it would be cool to have a downloadable PDF so people could go back each month and download that newsletter from the past. So I'm going to get back into that. And the other thing, Patreon. I want to apologize to those who were on Patreon because I had some serious problems getting anything to work for a while there. and I had abandoned it. I don't know what was going on, but when I would link something, it wouldn't link to the video I was trying to link to. It would link to some odd random video, not the one I was trying to do, and it was a nightmare. So I left it and abandoned it entirely. But a few weeks ago I started redoing it, and I started working on Patreon again. And some of you, I noticed in the comments, have seen that a certain person or group of people had gotten my Patreon account, what do you call it, suspended. And yeah, you guys succeeded, but it's back. I got it back. These guys have vowed to destroy our lives, and it's gone so far in that they're actually destroying every bit of my income, and even no matter where I've ever gone to try to earn money, if they found me or found out where I'm working, they've destroyed it. They tried to get my dad fired, and they tried to get my sister fired too. Why, I have no idea. My dad doesn't even go on my site. They tried to get him fired too. So these guys are determined and ugly. And anyway, they had it suspended. So I'm sorry, those of you who started following again. It was gone for a short period, but it's back. I am uploading every single thing I do on Patreon. So whether it's from the do-it-yourself world, TR Tech Tactical and Survival, or the do-it-yourself world electronics, or the do-it-yourself world website, if I do a blog article or post on there, everything goes on to Patreon. So actually I think I'll also post DIY Tube work over there as well. Anything I do from now on, anything I do, is going to be copied onto Patreon. One, it's a list of everything in one place, so you guys can go and follow along in order of every single thing I do. And two, it is an extra source of income for me, since YouTube has really not been bringing it back to where it used to be. So that'll help. Anyway, I'm back on Patreon full blast every single day, all the time. My account's back open and functioning. So all is well on that site. Anyway, I think that covers everything. Please give me your opinions and thoughts. I will write everything down in the video description so we have everything listed, so you can see all of my points in writing there, and then you can give me a comment on your thoughts and opinions. Thank you guys. Thanks for being there all these years and for making us what we are today. Without you, we wouldn't have anything. We wouldn't be here, and you, the viewer, makes this all possible. And thank you for all the support and all the comments and all the love and care you've shown us through these years. It's Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project, and TR Tech Tactical and Survival, and the Do-It-Yourself World Electronics and DIY Tube. Talk to you later.